The main train station is down the Sihl, and then the main river in town is the Limmat. The famous Citizens Park is right straight ahead. And then the History Museum is behind that. We're in a little more industrial part of the city. This is the Viadukt shopping area, which is next to the Viadukt train. This station here for the tram is called the Lowenbrau station, because Lowenbrau has a big plant right here. It used to be called the Dumweg, the dam walk trail, which is still there, but the station's changed names. And then the tall building over here is the Corn House, which is a grain elevator. And we took a tour of that a couple years ago. That's in action. That's an actual working grain elevator here in town. Alright, we're on the Viadukt path. And you can see the Corn House behind me. But straight ahead, this is looking south toward downtown Zurich. So we are upstream, if you will. And here's the dam, little power plant in front of us, and behind is a swimming area. So just spin your goggles around. This is one of the swimming areas on the river, and it's private. But as we go farther down the river, which we'll get some more video of, you can see it opens up, and there's all kinds of public swimming here and rafting in the summertime, which I hope to do this week. Then the hill over here is Kefferberg, and really nice trails up there, which I'll get on film as well.